friends, today we have 1 and 2 puzzles. This is an owl and this is a cat. Oh no, all of our puzzle pieces got mixed up. We need to put our animals back. Let's make the owl first. Let's find our first puzzle piece. Not this one. Yes, this one. This is the face of a owl. Let's put it here. Now let's find its body. Can you see it? Yes, here it is. Let's put it here. An owl has 2 wings. Let's find them. This is the right wing. Let's place it here. Now let's find its left wing. Yes, this is the left wing. Let's put it here. Now we need to find its feet. Look, we found it. Let's put it here. Wow, we made an owl. Do you know owls are nocturnal birds? It means they are mostly active at night and their big eyes help them to see better at night. Now let's make our cat. First, let's find its face. Here it is. Let's put it here. Our cat's body is made up of 4 different colors. First, we need the color yellow. Yes, this is the color yellow. Let's put it here. Next, we need light green color. Let's put it here. Next, we need the color green. Yes, this is the color green. Let's put it here. And in the last, we need dark green color. Let's put it here. Wow, we made a cat. Cats are domestic animals. Do you know? A house cat sleeps around 13 to 16 hours a day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.